In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable chat bubbles for messages on Samsung. So if you like the messages chat bubble, just like each time you have a message, what you're going to see here is the messages chat bubble. Like this, it's going to appear around here. Then I'm going to show you how to enable this feature on your Samsung phone. So the first you want to do here, you want to make sure you're using the Google Messaging app. So this Google Messages app is what you're going to use. If you're using the Samsung Messages app like this, or you set the Samsung Messages app as your default, you need to switch to the Google Messages app to be able to use bubbles on your Samsung device. So if you done this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is open the Google Messages app. Now on the Google Messages app page, you should see set default SMS, and then make sure you select the Google Messages app, then tap set as default. Once you've selected that, hang on, then click on set as default again. Then scroll down and click on your file icon at the top right. Click on Messages Settings. Now come to Messages Settings here and click on Bubbles. Once you selected that, then you want to choose All to show bubbles for all messages on your Samsung phone, or Selected Only to show the bubbles for messages coming from Selected Only on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Select All for best results. So that's how you can easily enable messages bubbles on Samsung phone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.